because practical English speaking sentences only it would help our English speaking skill, because as much as you write, as much as you write down your vocabulary, unless or until if you don't feed your brain. Hey, hello, hi guys, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to English with Shahid YouTube channel, and I am made 3 video about tactical English speaking sentences. Okay, about daily routine question and answer. If you haven't watched, you can visit my channel and you can watch those videos. And today I would make about past tenses, okay, and past sentences, in which you can use in practical way, okay, and which you use in daily basis, because practical English speaking sentences only it would help our English speaking skill, because as much as you write, as much as you write down your vocabulary, unless or until if you don't feed your brain about English content, so it will not help. Today I would make video about the past tense, okay, past indefinite tense. It is all about yesterday incident, okay, what you did yesterday, okay, and in practical way, not in theoretical way. I would in this video you can also practice how to speak about past tense, okay. So as much as you written, it will not help. You have to speak if you want to enhance your English, if you want to learn English language. So please subscribe and like this channel, and then okay, let's go ahead. So let's start. At what time did you wake up yesterday? I woke up at 6 o'clock. At what time did you have your breakfast? I had my breakfast at 8 o'clock. At what time did you go to the office? I went to the office at 9 o'clock. At, at what time did you leave office? I left my office at 7 o'clock in the evening. All right. Did you go to the gym yesterday? Yes, yesterday I went to the gym. At what time did you go to the gym? I went to the gym at 8 o'clock. Alright. At what time did you have your dinner? I took my dinner at 9 o'clock. One thing I would tell you here, you can replace took in had. You can replace that. Had you can replace took, and take you can replace have. Okay. So when we eat about anything, so we can use have and had. In present time, if you use, so we can use have in eating something. Okay, and if you past time, if you use, so you can use had. Okay, just like at what time did you have your dinner? I had my dinner at 9 o'clock. At what time did you sleep? I slept at 11 o'clock. So this is all about yesterday incident. Okay, I explain about yesterday incident. So you have to explain about your yesterday. You can ask question, okay, and then you can give answer. So here I'm going to ask some question, and you have to give me answer. When I ask to your question, then after I pause myself and you have to give your answer. So here I start. At what time did you wake up yesterday? At what time did you have your breakfast? At what time did you go to the office? At what time did you have your lunch? At what time did you leave your workplace? Very good. At what time did you sleep? Okay, perfect. So this is how you can practice, and if this video helped little bit, so please like and subscribe my channel and support. Okay, and we will meet another video. Bye bye. Have a good day.